Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Teckin Wi-Fi sockets. And these are two of them in one box, as you can see. It's a smart socket Wi-Fi plug with 16 ampere plug. It works with Google Home and Alexa remote control and voice control, measure power consumption, and it will I go up to 3680 watt on only 2.4 gigahertz network. But no pain for you if you have a 5 gigahertz network. All routers out there can make a Wi-Fi network with 2.4 gigahertz too, no problem. This is remote control after successful connection with a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. We can remotely control the device from our phone, no matter where we are, and we can voice control the Teckin smart sockets with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. We can control the device by entering a voice command easily. And schedule and timer. We can use our smartphone to create the schedule or timer for the smart socket so that it automatically turns on and off. And we have energy monitoring. Provides real-time reports of the power consumption of our device to avoid excessive electricity bills. That's awesome, isn't it? And it's so easy to use. The only thing we have to do is we have to download the app, and then it goes on. So on the socket itself, we have an on and an off button. You have the power plug on the backside. We have a flame-resistant metal around the socket. And we have in front of it, it's a socket panel. The on and off button can be used as restore button. Long press can change the flashing speed and will restore our smart socket to factory defaults. But only do this if we are sure we want to erase all our settings before. So, the model number is SPN22. The rated voltage is from 100 up to 240 volt. And the rated current is 16 ampere maximum. AC frequency is 50 or 60 hertz. That's standard out there, and the working temperature is from minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees Celsius. Wi-Fi frequency is 2.4 gigahertz, and the maximum total power output is 3680 watt. So don't attach your often on it, but you can attach every other devices like your coffee machine, like your Christmas tree, like your television to set an on and off timer in the device itself, in the app of the socket here. The first step is we have to scan the Android or iOS QR code, and then we get the app on our smartphone. So then make sure our smart device is turned on and connected to our Wi-Fi network. Then press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until indicator light begins to flash quickly. This means that the device is ready to be paired. And then launch the Teckin app and tap plus on it. Before you are going the next to continue that, you have to make an account. Okay, you need an email address on it. Then you will get a pin, and this pin you have to enter to the app. Job's done. Then you have account. Job's done easily. So we are going to the Teckin app. Then we are pushing on add a device. Then go to next, and we can connect them. Of course, we have to enter our Wi-Fi network password. Of course, that's important. And then we can add it easily into our device. Then we are ready for have fun with that awesome socket. That's really easy. Of course, we can dock it to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant too. And then we can make it with our mouse, with our voice, easily. That's an awesome thing. I programmed my television that the television will go off at 0:30 in the morning, and it will switch on automatically at 7 o'clock a.m., for example. And you can add both and more of these sockets to one app. So you have a smart app, and you can control so many different smart devices from Teckin easily. Teckin has also lights and other sockets on the market, no problem with that. And it's really awesome and easy, as you can see. If you are going to add a device in AP mode, if the connection fails, you can try to connect in AP mode, okay? To access the AP mode, press the power button and hold it for more than 5 seconds. The power button must be pressed until the indicator light flashes slowly. We can configure the plug according to the operations prompt on the smart device interface. When the message connection succeeded appears, it means that device is paired and will now appear on the device list in our app. Ooh, now we can control our smart plug anywhere and anytime by simply using the app on our smart device. Make sure your smart device and smart plug are all connected to our Wi-Fi network. Now we have successfully added our device and we can share them with our friends or family. And please carefully check for any damage caused during the transport. But because we are working here, or this plug is working with electricity, so you have to look first, is everything fine on that? But here you can see they are fine, no problem. And then we have to be careful to keep the plug out of the reach of children. It is not a toy because of the electricity. But there is a child lock to not reach the hot lines. That's awesome. And the total power of the connected devices must not exceed the state maximum power of the plug, so don't go to the limit. It's better to be above that limit of 3680 watt, because it's better be under 3500 watt. It's better, okay? To avoid the risk of harm, do not attempt or disassemble the plug. Do not use them if it's damaged too. Of course, this is the best thing you can do. Everything is fine. Then you can see we can dock it on our socket, and here you can see we can use it manually by using the push button on the device itself, and of course we can use it on the smart way by using the app, or we can use it by Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Easy going. As you can see, this is the Teckin SPN22 smart plug. Yeah. And now you can see we can enter easily into the system by getting into this plug into our Wi-Fi network easily. And after this, we can use our app to control the smart socket immediately. And this is not only at home, you can also dock the smart sockets on, for example, a coffee machine, and then you can go to vacation, no problem. If you have a mobile a link to with your smartphone and the vacation location, then you can switch on and off your coffee machine. Of course, you can also do this by using it for another device. Everything what uses electricity power, you can dock on this smart socket, and it works really awesome. I made a big plan for my Christmas tree, for example, and the Christmas tree is now on at the morning and will go automatically off at the evening, and overnight it's still off, no problem, and at daytime it is only at the dust it's on and no, it's at the dawn it will go on, and the dusk it will go off at, I think it's 9 o'clock p.m. etc. And we have two of them. Not only one smart Wi-Fi socket is in the box, we can use two of them. So one is for my television, and the second one is for my Christmas tree, for example. And you can see you can control it all day long by using the app or Alexa, etc. And of course, you can do that manually on the button itself on the socket. That's awesome. This is the Teckin Wi-Fi socket, smart socket Wi-Fi plug, and you can see it works manually and by using the app. Awesome thing, easy, and this is state of the art in smart home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.